In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to add music to a photo using CapCut and save it as a video. If you find this guide helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more tips. Start by opening CapCut and selecting the Edit option in the bottom left corner. From there, choose New Project. At the top of the screen, select Photos and pick the image you want to use. Tap on it, confirm your selection, and click Add to continue. Once in the editor, locate the Audio option and select Sounds. CapCut offers a range of soundtracks, or you can add your own by tapping the folder icon. Browse through the available audio options. For this example, you can choose a track like CapCut's vlog music. Preview it and tap the plus icon to add it to your project. To adjust the photo's display time, tap the photo in the timeline and drag the endpoint to the desired duration. If you need to trim the music, place the cursor where you want to make the cut. Select the track and use the split option. Remove any unnecessary segments by selecting and deleting them. Once everything looks good, press Export to save the video to your device. This rewritten script is easy to follow, unique, and avoids timeline markers for smoother reuse,